So first thing first, to detach the picture from this nylon, then I placed it on top of the glass here. So I'm trying to align it, but it's getting sticky. I place it on top. It's been placed. Now I place it on top of the box of the clock. I was making sure it was intact, and I placed this ring on it. It's going to hold it. Then it's time for me to insert the light. All this stuff, it's more like a prototype. I rushed everything. The light might look funny. So I placed it, and that's it. I guess I'm going to cover it now. I'm going to cover it with the nuts. To screw it. So I did two artwork actually. This one, the three ladies, and I did one of my own face, showing my face. So now I'm done scrolling. This is what it looks like on a normal broad daylight, but the main thing here is for it to shine in darkness. And this is the second artwork. So I did it in a way that I can switch the artwork at any time I want. So this is when lights are off, let's say in the middle of the night or when the place is dark. This is what it will look like.